What are we making now?
We're prepping for the coleslaw.
And this is Nadia's recipe. So we have my mom's handwriting, but my sister's recipe. We've eaten it, we've never made it, so we're doing all our measurements and we're gonna walk you through a very easy, simple, delicious coleslaw. Always better to prep it the day before because it marinates and it sits in the seasoning, in the juices more, so it'll be tastier marinated. But that's it, that's what we're getting.
Again, it's
ready.
early morning. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator to marinate, like Nancy said, best before like a day or two. And it could be kept in the refrigerator actually up to 2 weeks. And
Yeah.
if there's too much like liquid, you could drain some out.
Yeah, and the reason why we could keep it up to 2 weeks, I mean, the vinegar is a pickling liquid, so
That's right.
this is, it's a preservative. So it's very, very easy to make and have even for your week.
Yes,
Prepare in advance and as
that's
a
right.
good, easy, healthy side, super
that's
good.
right.
So for these ingredients, we have a medley of a few different spices, classic simple vegetables. So this is honestly something that you can whip up very, very easily. You might have to go out and get a head of cabbage if you don't keep one on hand. But if not, we have, what do we have? Celery,
Red onions,
carrots.
shredded carrots, salt, pepper, sugar, white vinegar, vegetable oil,
and something
dry-
that you might not have and that you might have
dry
to boil.
mustard.
Yeah, dry mustard
A
as
bit
a
of-
spice.
There you go.
Yeah, so this is going to whip up a very delicious. So my mom went ahead and prepared everything already. So we are showing you a really, really simple slaw. We could have added 4 more minutes and showed you how to chop, but hey, it's
I
gonna be
think
a
we all
fast
know how
video.
to chop.
You can use a mandolin, you can use a very sharp knife. Just make sure you do not cut your fingers. So we are going for whatever type bite you like. If you like a little bit more thick, a little bit more thinner, but shred your cabbage. We have my sister's recipe, 1 medium cabbage shredded. We have 1 large red onion that we have diced already.
There's a cup of
What else? We have a cup of grated carrots and 2 celery stalks chopped, diced in little pieces. And then we are going to be making over stovetop the liquid
The
vinaigrette,
dressing.
the dressing. So this is an over stovetop warm. So this is the reason why my mom is saying once you mix everything together,
Make sure it's a stainless steel bowl or a bowl like that heat proof. That's
Yeah.
it. Do not use a plastic one
No.
because I mean they're gonna ruin
you're
everything.
gonna break your plate
Oh, you
and
definitely,
lose your
definitely,
food. Yeah.
because you're pouring like boiling hot liquid right over the cabbage.
Yeah, so we're basically creating a pickling liquid to go over this delicious slaw. So that's why as earliest as you can in the morning, if not the night before, 24-hour marinade would be the best. So we are going to bring in on a closer look to bring you through the full rest of the process, and we'll see you on camera when we eat it. Unless there was something we forgot to say, then we'll jump back on camera. Okay, see you soon. So in goes our vinegar.
You think it's water, but it's vinegar.
It's white vinegar.
Yeah, white vinegar.
In goes our oil,
Oil, vegetable oil.
or oil of choice.
I guess any neutral oil.
Neutral oil of choice, yeah. And now we're going 1 tablespoon each of salt and 1 tablespoon of dry mustard.
Dry mustard. Yes, just have to be careful. I'd rather do it off camera because I don't want to put too much.
Perfect, that's good.
Go.
Yeah. And half a teaspoon of black pepper. There you go. And then we give that a whisk and bring it to a boil.
Yeah.
And then we'll be pouring it over
The
our
coleslaw.
vegetables.
That's
Yeah.
it. Our coleslaw mixture.
You gonna have enough space to put all these batches in your fridge now?
There you go.
Smells so vinegary.
It does. It does smell nice though.
It's pickling our nostrils.
There. A little tickle in the throat.
Yeah. This smells delicious. So
does.
that's it, as simple as that.
Yeah.
We just brought it to a boil.
Just brought it to a boil, that's
yeah,
right.
and then poured it over. Do we have to wait a couple of minutes before we put it in the fridge?
Well, I'm touching the stainless steel over here, and
Yeah.
I mean it's good enough. We're gonna cover it with plastic wrap.
That's it.
Put it in the fridge.
There you go, and it starts its marinade.
There you go. There we go.
All right,
It's done.
in the
Right.
fridge it goes.
In the fridge it goes for 6 to 8 hours.
All right, so we are almost ready to serve. We just wanted to show you the difference of having it marinate a few hours versus to having it marinate overnight. My mom had prepared one overnight. There's just, you know, missing the carrots, but you see the difference in having it.
The texture.
Yeah, the texture and the visibility of it just soaking up and also releasing a lot of the juices of the cabbage, etc.
That's
You
right.
saw my mom just show the liquid at the bottom on both of them because obviously we did put that liquid vinegar brine over
Yes.
top. We are going to do a taste test. I'm gonna actually want to taste them both just to see, but we're going to taste test.
Okay.
So we'll put a little bit in each ramekin. It smells amazing. If you love coleslaw, that vinegar type of tanginess,
There you go. Thank you.
putting a bit on each. That's it. We have a little taste test. I'm tasting the one that we just did fresh now, just a few hours ago.
Mm. It's delicious.
I'm gonna say it's better than restaurant coleslaw. So good.
And it doesn't take a long time to put everything together.
So good.
I'm gonna try the one of yesterday.
Yep. Me too. The one of yesterday.
The cabbage is just a slight
Go for
tender.
it. Yeah, I was just gonna say you have a softer bite in the cabbage for having it marinate. So the one that has been sitting for about 4 hours or so, still a bit crisp in the bite, still so delicious, and I would still eat it like this as well.
Oh yeah,
But-
they're equally delicious.
But I would prefer the overnight one if I would have the time, because that bite is the perfect type of tender crisp. Still, you get that little bite, but that soft tender, that soft tenderness. Great flavor. Restaurant, high quality restaurant worthy coleslaw. Honestly, this is delicious. We hope you guys give this one a try. We're gonna try and catch my sister on camera when she comes soon. But if not, we want to highlight that this is my sister Nadia's recipe. Thank you so much, Nadia, for showing us this recipe. Tune in weekly for new content every Sunday. Check out our website at www.lovewhatyoue.net for all the photo step-by-step aid along with the full recipe as well. Don't forget ingredients, measurements, directions, always found in the video description, but the lengthier version, if we would need more to explain, would be always found on our website. Thank you so much. Have a great summer. Thanks for my mom for always giving me her time.
Oh, it's
While
my
we
pleasure.
continue to put fun content out for you guys. We
Anytime.
we enjoy doing this, so we thank you guys. And that's it. Continue to love what you eat.
Love what you eat.
Yeah, we know we are.
Ciao.
This is really good.
Un abbraccio a tutti. Buona giornata. Yeah, it is good. And so refreshing. And I like it because you could prepare big bites and it could stay in the fridge till up to 2 weeks.
Exactly. I think we said on camera too.
Yeah, we said it earlier, but it's really
This
good.
takes nothing to shred to do.
Yeah.
Anybody can do this, and you have a really healthy. I mean, you can omit the sugar if you want to or whatnot, but still a very hearty and healthy side that you can put to any type of protein.
Oh yeah.
Very good. This is
Really
perfect picnic barbecue.
Yeah, picnic barbecue.
And
Once again.
very inexpensive,
Yes.
and it feeds
20.
a crowd. Feeds 20 people.
Yeah.
Very inexpensive. So potlucks, barbecue potlucks, or type of work things. This is so easy. Put your name down. You got a recipe.
There you go.
Yeah. So good.
All right. Once again, bye-bye. Ciao.